In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very satisfying and amazing origami model I designed. It is called the Origami Collapsible Puppet. In order to make this origami puppet, you need a square piece of paper. I'm using 6 by 6 inch, but you can use any size of square paper. If you don't have square paper, you can just cut a square shape out of an A4 paper or notebook paper or stuff like that. So first, we're going to fold this edge to this edge. And open it, and then do the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to also open this as well. Now we're going to fold all of these corners to the center point right over here. Like this. And now we're going to fold this point to this point, and then this point to this point, this point to this point, and this point to this point. Now we're just going to fold it like this. And now we're going to make a crease that will start from this point. Where this crease touches this edge, and will end on this edge. And we will land this corner to this corner. Like this. And then repeat on the other side. Like this. Now we're just going to fold this point to this point and this point to this point, like this. And then open it, and now your paper puppet is done. So you can draw circles on both of the sides if you want. It is not necessary, but I'm going to draw circles. So I have drew circles on it, and if you want to collapse the puppet like this, you need to just squish it over here, and it is very simple to collapse. And then you can take it wherever you want. You can put it in your pocket and stuff like that, and it is very satisfying as well. So yes, this is the video. So if you liked this video, you can like, and also you can subscribe over here. And also you can watch my latest video over here, and you can watch this playlist, this very amazing playlist right over here. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of my in order to make this origami puppet, you need any six